Okay, I'm recording.
Sorry if I got soap in your eggs.
Did you spray soap over here?
I did.
There we go.
Okay, I'm going to plow the back for you.
Okay. This is good. That's smoked sausage and Rotel tomatoes and scrambled eggs. This is the first time I've ever bought these eggs in these paper cartons, and I'm never going to do it again because the eggs, they stick to the cardboard. You can't get them out. When you go try to pull them out, of course you pinch the egg and it busts. So that won't happen again. There's two potential eggs that are just wasted. No paper for me. Well, I got my first age spot. And look at the wrinkles on my skin. I'm not sure I'm ready for this getting old thing. I guess I got no choice but to give it a try.